Obaseki, Ogie, and the Chief of Staff Iyoha don carry waka go the family of late Captain Hosa Okunbo home for condolence visit. Oga Governor come talk say dem come tell dem say the government of Edo State and their brother wey dey for government house share for their pain because no be only dem the death affect. Governor talk say Kapi na im brother say the loss no only affect the family because the loss na big loss to Benin family and Nigeria. Governor come to talk say the time when Kapi stay for earth no long o, but he live pass the age when he live. Governor come add say if person tell am say him go come Kapi house without say him no see Kapi for house, say him no go believe. Mr. Godwin come advise say make we learn from Captain Hosa, especially the way he take people. He come say make we remember Kapi for the energy and for the good things when he do. Governor Obaseki comes to talk say make the family let them know for the burial arrangement cause them go like put body for the matter.
This evening, I came to pay a condolence visit in the company of the Secretary to the Government of Edo State, Barrister Saudian Ogie, and my Chief of Staff, Saibobo Yoha. And to come and tell you that we, your brothers in government, and the government of Edo State share in your loss. Because the passing of my brother, Captain Okunbo, is not just a loss to the Okunbo family. It is a bigger loss to the Benin family, to the Edo family, and to Nigeria. So much has been said about him. What he did in the course of his short life, I'll say 60 years, isn't that long. But he lived several lifetimes in those 60 years. And so we're not here this evening to tell you about him and who he was, but to let you know that his loss is our loss. Somebody had told me that I'll visit this house without seeing Captain seated on that chair or in his place in the dining room or in the sitting room where we used to come and see him and felicitate with him. I'll say, no, it is not possible. It cannot happen. But it has happened. We must learn from his life, particularly his life of generosity. Captain was generous to a fault. Our message to you tonight is, let us remember our brother for the good deeds, for his energy, for his spirit of enterprise, for his positive outlook to life, for his kindness, for his generosity, for those people he cared for, those thousands of families and individuals who may not have made it through school, who may not have started their small businesses, but for the generosity of our brother. So once again, on behalf of the government and people of Edo State, we're here to say how truly sad we are on the passing of our brother, and to let you know that we are with you in this very difficult moment. And please let us know and be part of any funeral ceremonies for him. Be strong, because You have to give direction to your younger brothers, sisters, and also the older ones in the family. But I trust that God Almighty has not given you a challenge or problem without the means to solve the problem.
We go miss Captain, Capi as we dey call am that year, because he dey always show body. He dey brekete for everybody. He house na house where everybody fit run go when area get as e be. People believe say when dem come see Captain, wetin carry dem come must get attention. He no dey here, but the good gesture wey him do, all the kule heart go be some of the things we go remember am for. Na make we take solace for the life wey he live, solace for the ogbonge things when he do.
We will miss Captain, Capi as we all call him, because he was ever present. He was there for everybody. This house was a mecca of some sorts, where people came in, people with challenges, people with problems. I mean, and they knew that once they come in here and saw Captain, you know, whatever they came for will be attended to. He's not here anymore, but that's good. Those good gestures, acts of kindness, acts of generosity, are those things and some of the things we will continue to remember him for. And so we can take solace in the life he led, take solace in the good things he did, and always remember him.
Kingsley Okunbo, brother to late Captain Hosa, come thank Governor Obaseki say he do well for the kind yarn when he give them, and true, Governor na their brother. Kingsley Okunbo come talk say even the day where the matter happen, Governor weak as I tell him the matter. He come say God go give Governor Obaseki more wisdom when he go take through the state. He comes to talk say Capi lost na heaven's gain, because them know say na better place na Capi dey. He comes to add say a day they come when they go celebrate the life when Capi live.
I want to thank you very, very especially for this visit on behalf of Okunbo family. For those of us that listened, you will notice that he didn't call Captain my friend. He said my brother. And we in the Okunbo family, we know that he is our brother. This is not 5 years or 10 years or 20 years or 30 years, right all the way from Iwehe, you know. So the family has been one. I want to thank you, Your Excellency. We are very comforted by the kind words that you said about our brother, by the prayers and the support that you have always shown. There is hardly, I can't recall the number of times, anytime we see, that you don't ask me, how is Capi? I just spoke to him just now. And you will always ask, how is he here? Always worried about my mother. You know, I really want to thank you for the love that you have shown to us. And I'm sure that you continue to show to us, because we are family. I remember the call that you made that very morning when it happened. I could feel the pain in your voice, and I confirmed it to you, you know, and I know how touched and how much you grieved on the phone. So it is well, it is painful, but we are comforted by just the confirmation. You've just said it too, what we all know, that whatever we have lost is heaven's gain, you know, because we are very confident, knowing fully well, because it takes grace and for you to know where you are going to. Sometimes even look at death in the face and say, I'm not afraid to die. I'm not afraid to go. I know I'm going to a better place. You know, it is time for us to mourn. A time will come too for us to celebrate my brother's life, because he did well. He did well. You can't question God. He was a father, a grandfather. He was successful. He touched lives. We will celebrate him. I want to thank you again, Mr. Governor. Thank you very much for this visit. May the good Lord continue to bless you and show you direction and give you wisdom in the honorable task he has given to you to govern this state. We are most grateful. God bless you very much.
This story they reach you from TMC TV News. My name now, Osawese Iyonawa.